Okay, I just got my solar panels, new solar panel suitcase in the mail. I got a Renogy suitcase, 200 watt with a 20 watt inverter. It comes with 10 feet of wire. I ordered another 20 feet of additional wire so I can put it in the sun. And I also bought the Renogy toolkit that makes it easy to disconnect things. So let me, there's the solar panels. I'm going to open it up in a second. Show you my battery. Here's my battery. It's an AGM 24M. Can't read it, it's backwards. 70 amp hour. I thought it was 100 amp hours, but it's a 70 amp hour battery. I put a shunt in there because I added a voltmeter to it. I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, it's a mess in here because we're in the process. We just installed new wallpaper, which is gorgeous, and we're going to paint all the brown white. So this is good. Anyway, I have a voltmeter that I just mounted in here. Okay, the first thing it says, which is in the house, I'm going to go get it. First thing it says to do is you always hook up your battery before you hook up the panels. So I think what I'm going to do is, let's do that first, and then we'll go from there. So it says the first thing you do is you hook up your wires to the battery before the solar panels. This is the 10-foot piece that comes with it. It's got a 15 amp fuse in there. It's a 20 amp inverter. And here's the plugs. Well, I could tell you already, I'm a little disappointed that the wires do not have the ends on it. Looks like I need to install that. Doesn't look like it's too difficult. So that's what makes it water. The female, put it on the wire. Here's the two seals. Put that through like so. You put the seal. Hoping this is getting it. You put the little seal in. The seal goes in, and then you just tighten it right here. Alright, so now I think I need to cut this a little bit further back. that in my pocket. I don't want to kill any animals. Alright, then we take the other piece. Ouch. Alright. We put the male part on. I always like to use pliers on this. I like needle nose pliers, but I'm not sure where they are right now, so. But you want to fold it out, bend it over so they overlap. Good. Alright, we'll put this is the male, the negative. Slides in like so. Slide your seal in. And then you screw it together. And I always like to tighten things a little bit extra. I want a good, nice tight seal here. Alright, there you have it. Okay, so now it says you're supposed to connect the battery before you connect the solar panels. So let me get a wire cutter to cut the, I'm going to cut this. I'm going to put some twist ties on it to keep it together. So I'm going to do that next. Alright, I have to put my hat on because I'm sweating. Oh, here they are. Here's my... Okay, so alright, so I'm going to coil these up so that they stay together. Okay, I'll resume this after I do this. Oh. Okay, so... Oh, that's right. Ta-da! Hello! Thought I did it right. So... that connects... Is it black to black? Red to red. Alright. So... we need to connect the red to the positive battery and the black to the negative. And we're going to set the Renogy panels up here. So I'm going to take you with me as I hook that up. Okay, so I'm going to connect the positive to the positive and the negative to the negative. Because it says to always hook up your battery first. You always do your positive before you do your negative. So there's the positive, here's the negative. All right. And we got a 15 amp fuse. All right, so now we need to run. All right, I was hoping this would reach, and it does. We plan to put the solar panels right here. So here we go. Let me get the solar panels. 1 second. I'm gonna clean up my table. Okay, Mary Lou is gonna help me. I'm gonna set the panels up on the table. Okay. This is really heavy. It says it's 35 pounds, but it seems heavier. This is the suitcase, 200 watt. Okay, so then these come out.
It's not the same angle as yours.
Oh, it's okay. We'll adjust it. Just okay. We're gonna flip it up this way. And bring it your way a little bit. Towards you, no. On
Okay.
the table. Put it on the table. Turn. Go this way. Okay. Oh, you're in the hole. You're in the hole. Back it up. Back it up this way. No, look at me. Thank you. Oh my God. All right. Let's do. It's got 14 volts. Can we slide the whole thing this way towards me?
Yep.
So I can see this, what it says. Okay. 14.4 volts. Battery type. Hold for 3 seconds. I'm not sure what it's doing here. Hold for 3 seconds for settings. It says my battery's 75%. But it's not going to the type of battery. Hard to see. Alright, I'm going to go get the instructions because I can't see what it says. So far so good. We got 14 volts. Okay, now I see where it shows the battery type. It's at the bottom and it's set for gel, which is not, I got an AGM. Huh. This doesn't make sense. Gel, Okay, there it is, AGM. All right. Now you just hold it and it flashes and it goes through the different battery types. Now it's set for AGM, which is what I have. I have one. I plan to get a second battery. All right, so it's set for the AGM. We got 14.4 volts, 2.5 amps, 0.2. I've already made 0.2 amp hours. Cool. That's it. All right, let me take this off of here. And if you can see it, we got 14. It's hard to see when we're in the sun, right? 14.4 AGM at the bottom. We got 2.5 amps. 0.2 amp hours. Is the bee bothering me? Oh my God. 14.4 volts. Looks like the battery is 3/4 charged, so let's give it some time and see how it does. And there you can see my 200-watt solar panels working away. This is exciting. Renogy. Okay, so now we're back in the camper, in the truck camper, my Lance, and I wanted to see, yep, we're making 14.43 volts. 14.4, that's awesome. All right, we've got 5,000 watts. I don't think that's really what that means, but all right, well, the battery shut off. Okay, so far my Renogy's going. I'm going to check the time and we're going to see how long it takes to charge it up another quarter of the way. It's 75% charged, my battery right now. All right, the current time is 1:30, so we'll see. We'll check it in a half hour and see how much, if it's completely charged, or maybe an hour or two. I don't know. Thanks for watching. We'll check it out soon. Be back with you. Okay, so it's 3:30, so in 2 hours, my battery is now full. And it cost me nothing for 2 hours of sunlight. And it's now in the shade. Perfect. So now I disconnect the wires here, I believe. And then I can disconnect it from the battery. Let's go inside first and see what we got for a reading. All right, we've got the battery on, or no, with the battery off. 13.60 amps, volts. Perfect. That's great. So, I love my Renogy 200-watt suitcase. I think it's great. I can charge my battery. I'm going to buy a second AGM battery for my truck camper. So when we go away in a couple months, we will have free power. So that's awesome.